With Toyota Insurance Package, we've got you fully covered. We guarantee 100% sun-insured payout for total loss or theft cases. Siti drives a 2-year-old car with a sum insured of 80,000 ringgit. Her car was involved in an accident and rendered a total loss. Other insurers pay out market value, which is 10% less of the sum insured. Toyota Insurance Package pays the same value as the sum insured. Another benefit of the Toyota Insurance Package is there are no access clause, which means no additional charges for repairs. Here's an example. Ali drives a 2-year-old car with a sum insured of 80,000 ringgit. The vehicle met with an accident and the repair cost is 2,000 ringgit, which is 800 ringgit. With Toyota Insurance Package, Ali pays nothing. Only Toyota Insurance Package offers no betterment charge, which means no additional charges for spare parts cost for up to 10 years. Here's an example. Sarah drives a 10-year-old Toyota Vios. She met with an accident and needs to replace the car bumper at a cost of 3,000 ringgit. Other insurers make you pay 40% additional charges for spare part. With Toyota Insurance Package, you pay no additional charges for spare parts up to 10 years. With the purchase of Toyota Insurance Package, you also get free and reliable Toyota 24/7 Road Assist for any accident or vehicle emergencies. Breakdown and accident towing for free. That doesn't just apply to towing. These are the other additional free services. 24-hour approval for on-the-spot minor repairs and claims below 20,000 ringgit. Enjoy quality repairs using Toyota genuine parts. All done at Toyota authorized body and paint centers. Get the Toyota Insurance Package to experience peace of mind. Toyota, all about the drive.